He's canceled. He made me drive. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another vlog. This is going to be another weekly vlog with your girl. I am going to be doing a lot of productive things this week. It is the week after Valentine's Day. Woo! I hope you guys did enjoy your Valentine's Day. I hope that you went out there and you conquered being single, being taken. I hope you did a little show, a little thing for your man to show appreciation. And I hope that you know, put God first also, guys. Don't forget to pray. Pray for your lover. Pray for your loved ones. Pray for yourself. And make sure you meditate. This past Valentine's Day week was very, very rocky for me. Like, I had such a great Valentine's. And then after Valentine's Day, I had a rocky mental breakdown, all types of things happening to me, and I don't know why. You know, now that I'm not single anymore, I'm just questioning, like, I'm questioning everything, like, God, why me? Why am I falling in love? You know that TikTok that go, I hope I'm falling in love. You guys, if you were single for this Valentine's Day, don't forget that you are beautiful. You deserve to be everything in this world. Someone needs you out there, and it's just not your time, but your time will come. Because who would have thought I would ever have a Valentine's Day? I'm so surprised. Like, yeah, today's scent that I am going to be wearing, by the way, is one of my Valentine's Day gifts. It is the Tom Ford Lost Cherry. I want to smell like how I look, of course. You guys, I hope that you like my makeup. I showed you guys my makeup. I'm gonna just put on some lip liner and some lip gloss, but yeah, let's get this perfume. Well, this is how it looks, and I'm gonna just put it on. It is so cute, y'all. I love the bottle, and I like the case too. I know a lot of people take the case and throw out the case, but I'm not gonna be throwing out the case. So cute. Like I said, I want to smell like how I look. So you want to just open in there. You want to spray your hair a little bit, and that's about it. With this perfume, you don't need a lot. You probably just need like 4 sprays. If anything, 4 is too much. It is very strong, and it lasts 4 days. I just want to say, if you are single and you did not get to enjoy your Valentine's Day, like you celebrated it single, I hope you celebrated it in a very good way, a respectful way to your body, to yourself, to your mental health. Because being single, I've been single for so long, I've noticed that it can mess with my mental health. So please, please reach out to someone. Please, please pamper yourself. Put on some makeup. spray some nice perfume on you, go out there and take yourself out on a beautiful date, buy yourself a nice little gift, even like a little watch, okay, something like that, or a new jewelry set that you know you'll like. It don't have to cost a lot of money. Or you can gift others, like your family members, and to make yourself feel good, you know, something to look forward to and get your mind off of being single during Valentine's Day. At the end of the day, you're a beautiful soul. We need you on this earth, and keep going, you know, keep going no matter what, no matter how down you get, keep going.
You came off your flight, did you?
No, I didn't. You're hallucinating. Wrong girl. Anyways,
so who came to meet me after the flight? Their flight.
Let me talk to my subscribers. Anyways, so guys, he made me drive. He made me drive. Is he canceled?
As I should.
He's canceled. He made me drive. He made me drive his car. But he wanted to see how I could drive. And I'm a Ferrari, so I know how to drive good, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Somewhat.
So how's my driving though? Is it A1? What is it?
It was slow.
It was slow because you want to smoke and making me hot.
Yeah?
Yeah.
God blesses what you prepare for, not what you hope for.
Amen.
He doesn't bless what you wish for. He blesses what you prepare for. Preparation is one of the biggest faith steps that you can ever make. Before it happens, I know the knowledge. Before it happens.
Hey guys, what's up? Today is Sunday and we are about to go to church. We are just listening to Transformation Church, you guys. If you do not go to church and you feel like you need to be blessed and you don't have a church to go to, or you just don't feel the urge to go, it's okay. Go on YouTube, get on your phone, and go to Transformation Church. They have this live series every Sunday at 12 p.m. Thank me later. It's beautiful, it's powerful, it's very touching, and it's like going to church, you know? You just could sit at your bed. They praise, they worship, they have a pastor that preaches. It's just the same thing as going to church, but virtual. I do it all the time. When I don't have the energy to go to church, I put that on. And my cousin Tatiana, Beauty TM, she's the one that put me on. Thank you so much, cousin. And yeah, we about to go to church anyways. We're running a little late, but I had to listen to the service, at least a little bit of it before we go, and we're gonna listen to it in the car. Hey guys, so we just came back from church and we went shopping. Okay, first I wanted to talk to you guys about what we what the message was about. It was so powerful. When I tell you, the pastor talked on everything I was going through this week, everything my cousin was going through this week, because it was just me and her that went. The pastor talked on vibes, talked about vibes and how you should go with your intuitions, and if like a place is not for you, don't do it. If you feel like you're at the wrong place at the wrong time, run. What else did he talk about?
She said run.
No, not run, but like pretty much that's what he was saying. And he was also like, he said, what else he was saying? How to like not hold grudges, let people go, because you know that's just, you need to be more like God and just be like a perfect example. And he spoke on being meek, like that's pretty much like letting your pride aside, right? Like
basically having your pride aside.
Yeah, and just forgiving people and like forgive them and move past situations and let it go. That is not cute. I should have got that.
I was like, this would be not cute.
With it hanging like that?
No, without this.
Oh yeah.
And just have it like that. That would have been fire.
We went shopping after church, y'all. Okay, so we went to Forever 21 and I got this pretty hat, you guys. I plan to wear it without a wig because with a wig it's a little bit too tight, but without a wig it's gonna be so much cuter.
Oh my god, that cute.
I can't wait to take an Instagram picture and post that. Go follow me on Instagram, y'all. Anyways, this is the hat. Let me show y'all without it being on my head. So cute, so classy.
I took changes.
Hey guys, so today is just consistency, okay? I am going to be getting my nails done. I am going to be editing. I am going to be getting myself together. I'm gonna get a filling, and I'm also probably gonna do my toes. I'm not too sure. My toes still look fresh, so I don't know. You know when you just do your makeup and then the makeup is still on the top of your lips. I'm about to put on my lip liner. Yeah, I need to get out the house. I've been getting ready for the longest. It's like lately I just been getting ready for longer and longer. Like it's taking me 3-4 hours just to get ready. Like it's getting disgusting. I need to get it together. But yeah guys, my cousin been sleeping over. She's been sleeping over for about 5 days now. I think she's leaving today. I need to get myself together. I need to, like, I don't know, I need to meditate. We had a great time and all. It's nothing like that, but it's just, I don't know, I feel like I've been living a fast life these past few days. Like we've been going out a lot. I've been smoking a lot of hookah. I need to chill. I've been drinking, but luckily I haven't been throwing up, because normally when I like drink a lot, especially Casamigos, I throw up. But I would drink lately and then I will wake up feeling crazy, like my mouth would smell crazy. I will wake up and I will have loss of memory, and yeah, I need to cut the alcohol out. Yeah, so today is just a chill day. We about to go to a crab place to eat later, and I don't know, I think I might take you guys with me. It's gonna be like a double date type of thing, but nothing crazy. We all chilling. But my outfit though, honey, it's not this. It's like leather pants, white skimpy top. I was thinking about wearing heels, but my cousin's not wearing heels, so I'm like, I'm gonna match your energy. I'm gonna throw on some sneakers, but they're like classy, they're cute sneakers to go with the fit. Hopefully it'll look right, because I wanted to wear my red heels with my red lipstick, like black leather pants, white tank top. It's like a high-waisted black leather pants, and then I was gonna wear red lipstick with my red square-toed heels, but they look like Bottegas. I don't know if you get the image in your mind. It sounds cute and classy, don't it? Well, to me it does, so I don't care. Yeah, so let's get the day started. It's already midday. I think it's about 3-4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock right now. I've been getting ready since like 12 p.m., you know? You need help putting that on? Mm-hmm. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let me put it on for you. Alright, I'm coming.
Those smells.
show you how.